Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for 8 sign Aquarius, your person current feelings and their actions. And this reading is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. And this reading is from June 11th to June 20th. So let's see your person current feelings Aquarius. Knight of Cups. Okay, let's see. Five of Wands and Ten of Cups. There are some disputes between both of you. Five of Wands. There is fighting. And they want to offer this cup of love to you. It is coming, but it is slow. Knight of Cups. Stable, but slow. And they want to offer this Ten of Cups. He want to commit to you and they want to marry you. They want to come to you. They are thinking, but he will take action towards you or not. We'll see. But they want to offer this cup of love to you. So let's see. They need future actions towards you, Aquarius. Your person need future actions towards you. Knight of Wands. You or your person could be water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. The Lovers. You or your person could be Gemini. Strength. Yes, your person want to come towards you very passionately because lot of passion is there between both of you. The Lovers. You both love each other. The Lovers is here. Definitely there is love between both of you. The Strength. I think your person gaining strength to come towards you because they in past maybe they avoided you. That's why they are feeling very regret. Now they are gaining strength to come towards you because there is love between both of you. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message, Aquarius. It is coming. Definitely your person is coming, but it is slow. Seven of Cups. Eight of Wands. Communication. Things are moving fast. Hermit. Four of Wands. You both could be twin flames also. They want to offer this celebration with you, this commitment. This is a twin flame card and this is also commitment card also, and they want to communicate you. Things are turning in your favor, but it will take time because the Hermit is here. Right now they are thinking to take a move towards you. It will definitely, they will make a move. Communication is also coming in your way because they are fantasizing about you a lot. Seven of Cups. So things are turning in your favor, Aquarius. So please be patient because there is love. They want to come towards you and they want this celebration with you. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.